If you really believe that Uber is a company that doesn't know how to run itself and is only losing money, you need to learn why that isn't true. So please, listen, let me help you think outside of the box. Before I get into the most interesting aspect of what they spend their money on, let's do a simple tax exercise. From CBS News, published December 31st, 2018, almost a year ago, write-offs for mileage went to 0.58 cents a mile. So theoretically, if you logged 100,000 miles, that's $58,000 off your taxable income. That's a nice bracket drop. If you have other operating costs for your business, you could theoretically lose money on paper, but in reality you have money you're spending on other things. For us, other things might mean home improvements, a vacation, new pair of shoes, whatever. For large companies that usually wield the spending capital that tech companies usually do, that means R&D. Tech is always evolving and it pays to pay attention. Let's take a look at what they publish for everyone to see, according to the Uber engineering blog announcing the 2020 Uber AI residency. Some of what they do is as follows. AI at Uber is a rapidly growing area across both research and applications, including self-driving vehicles. On behalf of Uber, we invite you to join us on our journey as an Uber AI resident. Established in 2018, the Uber AI residency is a 12-month training program for recent college and master's graduates, professionals who are looking to reinforce their AI skills, and those with quantitative skills and interest in becoming an AI researcher at Uber. And published on the 18th of this month, we have this. Uber AI in 2019, Advancing Mobility with Artificial Intelligence, where the stated goal is to improve like so. At the forefront of this effort is Uber AI, Uber's Center for Advanced Artificial Intelligence Research and Platforms. Uber AI powers applications in computer vision, natural language processing, deep learning, advanced optimization methods, and intelligent location and sensor processing across the company, as well as advancing fundamental research and engaging with the broader AI community through publications and open source projects. I'll also throw in a screenshot about this blurb about Ludwig. It's a code-free deep learning toolbox. So why am I always repeatedly pushing this in your face? Because I routinely see people talk about returning power to drivers. My PAX is dumb. Uber is dumb and doesn't know how to manage money. Now I want you to think from a tech developer standpoint. War game with me here. If I am creating this being AI, this will probably cause the bottom 80% of drivers to be released based on various metrics. Of course, that requires autonomous vehicles and maybe more incentives for the actual drivers with the metrics that qualify as past QC to stay on and remain on board. You can be assured that these metrics will be based around customer satisfaction, dependability, and safety. These are metrics that AI can analyze based on various possibilities explored at a rapid rate of calculation. Deep learning input in real time. These metrics can be built on to accurately predict how you'll behave on average over a span of a few months or years, and whether or not you're worth being a part of the team. Data doesn't care if you thought you were being ripped off and refused to drop a couple off at the airport. Congratulations, not only did you fire yourself because you acted before thinking, but you're probably gonna get a visit from Team Blue very, very soon. This tech, this R&D is the stuff that Uber can write off. These centers are based in the US, Canada, India, Japan, and they have some of the best minds in the field working on this at a salaried rate every year. Frankly, when it comes to this company, legislation should be thought of as a money grab. Pensions in big states and cities need to be funded somehow. Public works also need funding. The reason that money is valuable is because it's finite. You can't just keep printing more, or the money that remains will inevitably be worth less. I know this is veering into a totally different field of conversation, and I apologize, but there's a reason. You can't be a person focused on a single issue here. Everything is interconnected and has far-reaching ramifications if you introduce changes at a rapid rate based on emotion. Also, if you aren't paying attention and thinking critically, these changes will steamroll you. Your perspective of the world will be the one that time and tech left behind. Think of these wargaming exercises as a way of helping you future-proof yourself. When you understand where the world is going, where it can be going. You can plan and position yourself to be successful when these changes come. And at this point, it's not about if they come, it's when they come. Learn new skills, become indispensable, and of course, stay informed. Be good, do well, let's go make some money.